even say Google QR code generator. So when it displays that for you, you would see that the first one that it will bring for you is QR code generator from where? Look at the source. It's from Google Web Store. And that's what you want to do. You click on that because you have some other ones, but then we are particular about the one being provided by Google itself. So you click on that. What we want to do is to add the plugin to enable us to create the QR code. Okay, let me search QR here again, QR code generator within that space. Okay, so this is what we have. I already have it here now. I have QR code generator. Okay, so you now click on add to Chrome, top right here. You click on add to Chrome. That's all you need to do. Add to Chrome. And it will add it in your Chrome environment. So asking you again to confirm, add extension. It's an extension. An extension, it was not part of the Google browser or Google Chrome browser when it was being created. So an extension will now allow Google Chrome to perform additional feature, which was not part of what it was shipped with from the beginning. So that's why they created that extension. So to go back to, we want to see the link for this form. Once you click on that send, it will bring you here. And then you come to where you will see this button like a clip. You click on that clip. The clip will give you the link for the form. But for me, I always like to shorten the form, the URL, the link. So you enable this button to reduce that long link. And from there, you just copy. Once you copy this, it's in the memory of your computer. So the next thing I'm going to do now is, this is what we're going to copy and insert into the QR code. That's a normal thing. If you are using a QR code that is outside Google, if you are using an application that is not Google Chrome supported, then you can then copy it and go and link it with it there. That's how to copy it. Or maybe you just want to copy this link and send it to whoever. That's the way to copy it. But like I said, what I did initially when we started was to enable Google Chrome to have QR code, and it's ready for us. So you don't have to go to send. You just come in here. This is the add-on button where we're going to see our QR code. Yes, QR code for Google Form is waiting here. So once you click on this and you say generate QR code, the QR code will be generated for you on the screen. As it's coming out. The QR code is ready. Scan it with your phone and you will see what you're going to have. It's not magic, it's technology. Scan it with your phone and see what you're going to get. Use the QR code on your phone. You can easily download it from Play Store. Use the QR code. If you are able to do it, complete the form. So once you have this, what you have to do is to download it here. You click here to download the form. The QR code rather. Or you can also copy it to the clipboard here.